One of our retro one bedrooms at 2429 Emerson Avenue South in the heart of Uptown, just across Hennepin from Kowalski's. This is a back corner unit on the second floor. You can see there's hardwood floors throughout the unit except in the kitchen and the bathroom. Someone is doing some laundry right now, but you can see that we tore out the window and now you have a cube glass window instead of a rotted old window. It's great for privacy and natural light. It's actually very cloudy outside today. And there's great light in here. And there's room for some built-in storage here. I'll show you an example of how big that is. Nice sized. And then we will head into, this is your front door right here. We'll head into the bedroom. A nice sized bedroom with a window. You do have a parking lot view, but you have some trees. A nice big closet for storage. You can see that they've maximized the space in here. Pretty good for an uptown closet. We'll head into the living room. The living room is a bit tight, but very doable. There's a ceiling fan, which is great. That's just where we came from. And there also is more storage space here. A fairly large closet. And you can put whatever system you want in there to maximize the space. And then this cool retro kitchen. You have the old cabinets with the red countertops. Cool old sink. Another ceiling fan, and your eat-in kitchen, which has a nice private view. So you can see that there's a tree right in the corner here. And so it's grown over kind of both the windows, and there are screens on both windows, which is great. And if you want to get another angle here, nice big kitchen. If you are looking for something with a little bit of charm and a decent sized kitchen, this would definitely be the spot. Give us a call if you want to set up a showing. 612-871-1986. Thanks.